Hey everyone, today we're going to look at some of our most popular semi-settings. As always, all the products mentioned here are listed in the description below. First up, we have style number 5339. It features relatively large stones on the sides and it has double prongs at the head. It's spaced in 18 karat white gold and it makes a great design if you're looking for a ring with a bit more heft to it. Next, we have style number 7392. It features tapered stones on the sides going from large at the middle of the shank to small near the head. It's based in white gold and head features an open side design for better viewing of the center stone. Next, we have style 7606. It features relatively large stones on the side. It's based in white gold and the head features classically designed prongs. There are no curves or intricate patterns or openings, it's just a classic straight prong design. Next, we have style 7654. This is one of our more intricate semi-settings as it features a complex woven pattern on the side while also featuring both small and large diamonds. It's based in white gold and the head features classic, slightly curved prongs. Next, we have style number 8036. It features tapered stones at the side, going from large at the middle of the shank to small stones near the head. It's based in rose gold, which gives it a bit more flair and color, and the prongs at the head features an open side design, which gives a better view of the center stone. Next, we have style 8051. This is one of our most classic designs. It features uniform diamonds on the sides and it's set in 18 karat white gold. The shank is rounded for comfort fit and the prongs are curved at the head for an elegant look. Next, we have style 8055. This is one of our more unique designs as its style is two-tone. The shank is in yellow gold and the head is in white gold. It features uniform stones on the side and the head features classic head prongs. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for all the products shown in the video. And of course, head on over to our website where you can see many more products as well as get in touch with us if you have any more questions.